Today, we're going to explore 9 things you should remove from your bedroom immediately, as they attract poverty and can block prosperity in your life. Have you ever noticed that despite working hard, making vision boards, or meditating daily, you still feel stuck in a mindset of scarcity? The issue could be much closer than you think, right in your own bedroom. Believe it or not, the items you surround yourself with may be energetically blocking abundance, and you may not even realize it. In this discussion, I'll share the 9 most common items that could be hindering your financial flow. By removing them from your bedroom, you'll open up space for new opportunities, fresh income streams, and a wealthier mindset. Let's declutter and make way for prosperity. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm so glad you're here today. If you're anything like me, you've likely had struggles with keeping your bedroom neat and peaceful. For the longest time, my room always felt disorganized and chaotic, which reflected directly in my finances. It wasn't until I discovered that certain things in our bedrooms can block prosperity that I saw a huge change. In this video, I'll outline 9 specific items that block prosperity and abundance from flowing into your life. Once these things are gone, you'll notice a shift in the energy around you. Removing these items is about more than just tidying up. It's about aligning yourself with wealth and opportunities. Let me know in the comments if you have also had difficulty maintaining a clutter-free bedroom. It's important to understand that making these changes won't instantly make you a millionaire or drastically increase a rich person's wealth. True financial transformation involves a deeper shift in mindset, identity, and the skills you learn along the way. However, decluttering your bedroom will help shift your current financial situation and prepare you for growth, whether you're wealthy, struggling, or somewhere in between. This is about creating the right energetic environment for abundance to thrive. So let's dive into the 9 items to remove to clear the path for financial abundance. First, I'll list the items, then explain how they impact your energy. Let's get straight to the point for why you clicked on this video. Single socks and worn-out underwear. Starting with something simple, single socks or worn-out underwear. It may seem harmless, but these items carry more energetic weight than you'd expect. We wear socks and underwear close to our skin every day, and they absorb a lot of our energy. When they become tattered, mismatched, or have holes, they radiate signals of lack and limitation. A single sock represents incompleteness, and underwear with tears sends a message of insufficient protection. These items subtly communicate to your subconscious that you don't deserve full support or abundance. When you're ready to invite prosperity into your life, the first step is to get rid of these worn-out, mismatched items and replace them with high-quality undergarments. This simple act sends a message to your mind that you're worthy of abundance and fully supported. It may seem small, but it's a powerful shift in energy. Old clothes you no longer wear. Next, go through your closet and remove any clothing you haven't worn in over a year. Donate anything still in good condition so someone else can benefit from it. Clothes that pile up and sit unused send an energetic message of scarcity. When your closets and drawers are overflowing, you're telling the universe there isn't enough space for new things to come into your life. When you clear out old clothes, you create space for newness, change, and opportunities. Think of your closet like a channel for abundance. When it's cluttered, the flow is blocked. Purge anything you don't wear, and you'll notice how much lighter and more open your space feels. Energetically, you're signaling that you're ready for new things to come into your life. Dusty books you'll never read again. Books are full of energy, as they contain knowledge, ideas, and thoughts. But when books sit unused and untouched, that energy becomes stagnant. If you have books collecting dust that you'll never read again, give them away to someone who will actually benefit from them. Books represent streams of consciousness, and if those streams stop flowing, the energy becomes stale. Keeping books you're no longer interested in blocks the flow of new ideas and knowledge from entering your life. By clearing your bookshelf of unread or outdated books, you open space for new mentors, insights, and growth. Even digital books or courses you've purchased and never used can hold stagnant energy. Delete them from your devices to clear the path for fresh content and inspiration to flow. Expired or unused beauty products. Go through your skincare, makeup, and hair products, and toss anything that's expired or that you no longer use. Just like food, beauty products have a lifespan, and when you use items past their expiration date, you transfer that stale energy to your body. Using expired products also sends a message that you don't value yourself enough to use fresh, high-quality products. By clearing out these items, you make space for new self-care products that nourish and care for your body. This simple act sends a message to the universe that you're ready to receive abundance and that you value yourself enough to invest in high-quality care. Plus, fresh products make you feel radiant, and that energy attracts prosperity. Worn out or damaged shoes. Your shoes carry you through life, so it's important that they reflect success. When shoes are tattered or damaged, they don't just slow you down physically, they slow you down energetically too. Shoes with holes or worn soles leak energy, leaving you feeling unsupported. Wearing sturdy, supportive shoes empowers you to move confidently through life with the belief that you deserve abundance. If your favorite shoes are just a bit scuffed, consider getting them repaired, but anything too far gone needs to be replaced. Clear out your worn-out shoes and replace them with pairs that make you feel empowered, confident, and ready to walk toward new opportunities. Incomplete accessories and empty boxes. Another item to eliminate from your space is incomplete accessories, like single earrings or empty jewelry and shoeboxes. Holding on to these incomplete items reinforces scarcity thinking. The universe abhors a vacuum, and empty spaces will always seek to be filled. When you hold on to incomplete or unused items, you're essentially leaving room for lack to hang around. Instead, clear out those single earrings, empty boxes, and containers. This signals that you're no longer tolerating incompleteness and are making space for abundance and wholeness to come into your life. Tattered blankets, sheets, or comforters. Your bedding is an intimate part of your life. You spend hours wrapped in it while you sleep, and that makes it an important source of energy. Torn, worn, or frayed bedding carries depleted energy into your subconscious each night. Instead of sleeping surrounded by signs of lack, upgrade your bedding to luxurious, high-quality fabrics. By replacing tattered sheets and blankets with ones that feel good against your skin, you send a message to your subconscious that you deserve comfort, dignity, and abundance, even in your rest. Physical and energetic clutter. Look around your bedroom for any form of clutter, be it physical or energetic. This includes broken items, outdated electronics, unnecessary paperwork, and unused furniture. Even the smallest things, like knickknacks that no longer bring you joy, can clutter your space. Clutter in your physical environment reflects clutter in your mind, and it's this mental clutter that blocks you from manifesting the things you desire. By removing physical clutter, you're also clearing the energetic blockages in your life, allowing abundance to flow freely. Unused hangers and hooks. Finally, take a look at your closets or the backs of doors. Are there any unused hangers or hooks just sitting there? While it might seem harmless, unused hangers signal stagnation. They're not fulfilling their purpose of holding clothing, which means energetically, they represent missed opportunities. When you remove these unused hangers and hooks, you open up space for new opportunities, abundance, and relationships to come into your life. Remember, nature abhors a vacuum, and by freeing up these small spaces, you're inviting prosperity to hang around in your life. By removing these 9 items from your bedroom, you're not only making space physically, but also energetically, allowing new wealth, health, and opportunities to flow into your life.